Hi, I'm going to making the shrimp potato ball today. I have about 6 shrimp. For the shrimp, I use a pinch of salt and the red pepper and teaspoon of cooking lime. And you mix well. Okay, I'm going to set it on the side. One potato, you need to peel the skin, cut into the slice like this, and steam for 20 minutes. And also I will put some salt and black pepper. And you mix well. And I use 3 tablespoons of wheat starch. The package look like this. So I put all the potato in here. Then I mix. And if you feel that little bit too dry, that's okay. You can just put a few drops of water in it. And also I have some cornstarch, some egg, and some breadcrumb right over there. So just grab one, make it flat. Then I put the shrimp in it and make sure the tail on. So I kind of roll that up. And make the tail straight. I'm going to sit it on the side first. Okay, that will be the last one I do. Okay, then I'm going to dip it in with the cornstarch. Then I put some egg in it. We roll it up with egg. Then I put some breadcrumb in it. Okay, then I leave it first and I'm going to spray some oil. Okay, then I put it in the air fryer. And I do another one. Okay, looks good. Okay, that will be the last one I do. Okay, I'll be right back. Gonna wash my hands a bit. Okay, this is all done. I'm going to spray some oil in it. Okay, looks good. Okay, I'm going to put it in the air fryer. I'm going to turn about 400 because I don't preheat. So I do 15 minutes. And I'll be right back. Okay, the 15 minutes is up. Okay, that's what I have today, the shrimp potato ball.